Hi, I'm Greg. I'm the Director of Cramond Electrical. At Cramond Electrical, we work with all aspects of the trade, but we specialise in renovations, alterations and new home builds. Our point of difference is that we believe in great customer service. We know how to look after our clients, know how to get the best value for money, whether it be a new build or a renovation, and we are 100% customer driven. We help you from the start of your project, from lighting layout to the ideal placement of power points. We take the time to make sure you can make informed decisions about your project to realise your vision, right down to the smallest detail.
I've been using Cramond Electrical for 5 years. They're my go-to electricians. They're reliable, trustworthy, friendly and good with the clients.
Call us today for a chat and let us help revitalise your home.